So, as we read before in the excerpt, birthday is a satanic form of worship. Birthday is a satanic form of worship. You worship in the self, worship in the self, worship in the self.
That birthdays, in fact, are rooted in paganism, but down to the 4th century, Christianity, or rather rejected birthday celebrations because they knew it was rooted in paganism.
Celebrating your birthday is going off. It's going off according to the scripture. It's wicked. All right? It's going directly against Torah.
Is that singing birthday songs is demonic. It is demonic, and Christians shouldn't be singing happy birthday.
एंड स्पेशली इन आर कल्चर जहाँ पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा शो ऑफ है, तो बच्चे ना शिकायत कर रहे होते हैं पेरेंट्स से कि आपने उसकी तो ऐसे मनाई थी बर्थडे, मेरी ऐसे क्यों नहीं मनाई, मेरी भी इस लेवल की होनी चाहिए। या एनिवर्सरी जो मनाई जाती है तो वो भी अगर ना मनाई जाए तो कपल्स डिप्रेशन में, मतलब वाइफ डिप्रेशन में चली जाती हैं कि ये बंदा मुझसे मोहब्बत ही नहीं करता है।